Hi guys, welcome back to Core Java tutorial. In this part of this tutorial, we are going to learn what is the working of a switch case statement in Java. A switch case statement is much similar to a if-else-if loop. So that means a switch case is used to compare values of a statement or a variable for multiple values. So here is a definition, simple definition for switch case statement. Used for comparing the value of a variable or statement with more than one values. That means it is much similar to if-else-if loop, but the difference between a switch case statement and if-else-if loop is that a switch case is used to only comparison. That means we used only for comparing a variable with multiple values, but the if-else-if loop is used to not only for comparison, it will used for all other logical conditions, any other logical conditions that return a true or false value. Here is the syntax of a switch case statement. Here is the switch, this is a keyword. Here we specify a statement or a variable. In each of these cases, we compare the value of the statement or variable with each of these cases. If any of these cases satisfy or it match with the state value of statement or variable, then the statement or statements associated with that case only works. The break statement is optional, but it is very important to use the break statement, otherwise you will get improper output. If you miss the break statement, then if this case satisfy, again it execute statement or statements associated with case 2. Again that process continues for even on the default statement itself. That means if you miss to insert break in any of these case and that case satisfy, then the case statement after that case, all the case statement appear after that case will executes and you will get improper output. So it is very useful to use the break statement with this case statement. If none of these case will match with the statement or variable, then the default statement will execute. This is the working of a switch case statement in Java. So here is an example that demonstrates the working of a switch case statement. Here data. So here we just compare the value of data with AEIOU. That means we check the value of data as a vowel. So definitely it is a character, data is a character, and we compare the value of data with AE and AEI and up to U. That means if we enter value for data is, suppose we enter value for data is E, then these case statements satisfy and it will print it as vowel, and definitely a break is must here, otherwise it will print vowel up to U. Again it will print the default, that means not vowel. So it is very important you use to break statement with this each of these case. Okay guys, thank you for watching. In the next part I will explain the working of switch case statement with a complete working example. Also you will get the complete note of this topic from my blog. The URL of my blog is given under the description of this video. Please subscribe my channel now for further video updates. The next part I will explain switch case with a complete working example. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.